wasn't me farting.
For one thing po, ganahan ko ana nga kanta. Kay it's about being vulnerable po.
Words riot in your head till there's nothing left to say. And you
And na ako'y dagang issues. Gitagaan ko opportunity nga madato. Pero ni-decline ko kay dili ko pick me girl man ko. Pero bito, ni-decline ko kay di man na true sa akong ganahan. Ganahan ko og raw, ganahan ko og bati. Pero raw, pero tinuod. Ganahan ko ana. Gasuffer ko ana sa una kay kanang ganahan na kay ko mag-create akong kaugaling films. Pero dili ko be able to be vulnerable gani. Dili ko kabaw ana.
open your heart, let the world in. You can stop running, be still.
Nga ganahan ako nakakanta kay like, bitch, be vulnerable. If you don't have eyebrows, if your lips are not red, if you're not pretty, it doesn't matter, that's you. I think wrong na message. It's nice to be raw and vulnerable and to love yourself. You're the only one that you have in this world, even though there's a lot of people. In the end, it's always just gonna be you. On that sad, lonely night, it's always just gonna be you. On that success that you can't tell everyone yet, it's always just gonna be you. I'm a fake motivational speaker.
How to begin?
And nag-prepare lang ako, mag ako gym. Actually, mag-sunscreen lang ko, and then I'm gonna go.
And while the monster's away, the princess escapes. 'Cause I'm mad about your alibis. I'm searching for the most outrageous life. But I'm off the hook. I'm on the bound. I'm off to find what is real or not.
So, gikan ako sa gym, but then tagkagtao, so waling kodro ko dito. Ako lang ba ito na magsasayaw, and then probably this is just the end of the video. Goodbye!